So we're getting 79, 81, so 81 horsepower and 110 torque on this one. So we're gonna tear it down, build it up, and see what the bump is.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a special day here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson because we're getting together to celebrate with Gerard and Katie's family. Gerard is the newest member of the 100 horsepower club at Wilkins Harley-Davidson.
What's the number?
They now finished with 139.10 horse and 144.87 torque.
Yeah!